Here we're gonna have a look at a problem in multivariable calculus. We have a function f depending on two spatial coordinates x and y, and that function is defined as the product of the two trigonometric functions sin x, sin y. And we want to compute what is the Laplacian of this function and what is the Gaussian curvature. So the Laplacian of a function is the second derivative of the function with respect to x plus the second derivative of the function with respect to y. My function is sin x, sin y. I take the partial derivative with respect to x and I get cos x sin y. Then I take second derivative, and that's gonna be minus sin x sin y. I take the partial derivative with respect to y, and I get sin x cos y, and then I get the second derivative with respect to y and I get minus sin x sin y. Now let's go back here. It's minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y minus 2 sin x sin y. So I'll write underneath Laplacian f is minus 2 sin x sin y for xy in R2. Now I need to compute the Gaussian curvature, the Gaussian curvature kxy. What do I have in the numerator? I have the second derivative with respect to x, second derivative with respect to y, I take the product, minus the mixed derivative squared. And in the denominator I have 1 plus the first derivative with respect to x squared, plus the first derivative with respect to y squared. And the denominator is the whole thing is just raised to the power of 2. So the second derivative of f with respect to x is minus sin x sin y times minus sin x sin y minus the mixed derivative squared. We have f of x, we take the mixed derivative f of x, and then we take with respect to y, and that is going to be cos x so we take that when we differentiate with respect to y, cos x cos y. So that's going to be cos x cos y squared 1 plus a partial derivative of f with respect to x is cos x sin y and that is raised to the power of 2 plus partial derivative with respect to y is sin x cos y the whole thing squared and then that one squared. So that's gonna give me sin squared x sin square y minus cos squared x cos square y over 1 plus cos square x sine square y plus sine square x cos square y, and the whole thing raised to the power of 2. That is to the power of 2 here, and that is my Gaussian curvature.